So my daughter's car is a 2008 base Mustang, and it's the 4-liter 6 V6 thermostat housing. Ended up breaking, and the hose here was spewing water everywhere. So obviously you'll need to drain the radiator before you do this. It's a weird design. It's all plastic. This car is pretty rough. I'm not going to do my normal work I would on my rental cars. I'm just going to fix the problem for it. You know, normally at this point I'd replace maybe even the radiator hoses if this was one of my rental cars and not her car. I gave this car to her 4 years ago, and the paint's chipping and it's in rough shape. So I'm just doing the minimum work right now for this car, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace that thermostat housing. So the new one came with a thermostat already in it, so I was just double checking that. To the hardware store now, get some new hoses. This thing is super bulged. This one here is completely corroded. So yeah, gotta get some more parts. So if you look at the old housing here, it completely had busted. So there was no repairing this whatsoever. The other problem I'm having is there's not a lot of direct replacement parts for this. So I'm having to get creative. The hose that goes between the water pump and the housing, part number B72025 64371S, and basically this is just a little stubby hose. And then what I did is I found a hose that's similar that I'm just going to cut down. As you can see here, it's not going to be perfect, but this hose here I'm just going to cut. Part number on that is B71231 63026S. And I'm going to try, so they didn't make a direct replacement, and this is the water temperature sensor. If you look, it goes in there, it moves around. So what I'm going to do is try to put an O-ring in there or some sort of seal to make it, because it's just held on with a clip. It doesn't actually screw in. So maybe it expands when it gets hotter, but I'm not comfortable. And the replacement one that they had didn't look anything like this. So I'm going to go ahead and try just putting an O-ring in there and see if I can tighten up the seal on that. Thermostat it's a Duralast number TA2210DL 902210. Again, Duralast made it, but the part said Motorcraft on it, so more than likely it was a Motorcraft part. All right, I went ahead and started the car. I'm burping the radiator and double check no leaks. At this point, I'm just gonna get it up, make sure the radiator burps, and then should be good to go from there.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.